In this video, I'll show you how to create a good YouTube script using ChatGPT. If you simply tell ChatGPT to make you a video script, it normally generates a pretty poor and low retention YouTube script. Here is an example. Now, if you copy and paste the ChatGPT prompt that's in this video description, ChatGPT will generate you a quality and high retention script for your YouTube video. All you have to do is tell ChatGPT what your niche is, video format, style of writing, and a brief description of what your video will be about. We will use the same example as the generic script prompt about making a video on Blockbuster. As you can see, the script is long and well written for a YouTube video. You can tell ChatGPT to edit certain parts to make them longer or make it regenerate part of the script. It's simple enough to make a really good YouTube video script without spending hours or even hiring anyone. Try it out yourself. Leave a comment on your experience with creating video scripts with ChatGPT using our prompts. If this video has helped you, make sure to leave a comment and subscribe for more informative videos like this.